Hey guys, so this is how I prepare my edible images. So right here I have edible image sheet printed on my paper to eat paper, and again you can find all the materials you need on their website. However, you're just going to want to print it out and then roll some fondant out. And you want to get it fairly thin because you're just attaching that image to the fondant. If you put the image directly on buttercream, it tends to wrinkle up much faster and get bubbly and just not as clean. So just simply put on some fondant, cut it out, get it nice and thin. I like to use X-Acto blade so it's a nice clean cut. And then you're going to want to put it on your cake. And the fondant sticks very nicely to this buttercream cake. It's a nice deep blue color. I'm doing a blue drip to match the color scheme. And I feel like this is a super easy way also to just add that customization. Or if you're trying to do like, this was for a company, so it's an easy way to make a company's cake. I added a little more decor. And again, I just love edible printing. It's so easy. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to ask in the comment section. Me or Paper to Eat would be happy to assist you further.